Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I will be showing you how you can create an account in ChatGPT using your email address. So ChatGPT is an amazing account that you can use to answer almost every question there is, but you need an account to access it. So I'm going to show you how to do that. But first, open openai.com on your browser. You can use any type of browser you have, but for me I'm using Google Chrome. And once that is done, it will lead you directly to this page. All you have to do is scroll down until the end. And under API, here is logged in. Just click on that and it will lead you to this page. Now, as you can see, I already have an account, so my email address is directly inputted over there. But if you don't have an account, then just click sign up. And then here, just enter whatever email address you want to use and take on the I am not a robot box and click continue. And that should help you set up your account. You just have to give them your full name and phone number for verification. You have other options to sign up. You can also use a Microsoft account or a Google account. But for this tutorial, I'm just going to use a Google account. Just going to click on whatever email I want to use. And as I've said, they will ask about your full name. So just type in and then your phone number. And then once that is verified, then you are good to go. I hope this helped. Thank you very much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.